private company and ESI for ESI facilities,
Yes, sir.
it deducted 200 or 300 monthly their salary.
A minimum 1000.
But ESI is not available for every person.
Minimum government rule like that.
So much it means influencer or ESI holders. Both are same. But a lot of many people have no health insurance or because lot of many because private sector is very broad and there are many employees. And
He has to speak. Yeah.
I have a question. You say there's working limit hours in a day. It depends on your work. If you work completed in one day, that's you leave. Or your salary get remain.
Yes.
You say that he will give you money by sitting,
Yes, I have one day, but
or he will give you new work by completing your
Purushottam.
previous work.
Yeah. Okay. Let him speak.
So he was saying, sir, that if you go to sit for the 8 hours and your work is completed at the single day, so they will give you the salary for the sitting only. So let me tell you, brother, so in any private jobs, someone are asking for the targets. So yes, there is a target. For I think target gives us a challenge that motivates to complete our task on time. So you saying for a single day, yes, in private sectors there are deadlines. They don't have to raise their projects for 100 of years. They have a limited time to accomplish this project. If I am coding at any project, okay? So they assign me to create a login page. If I create it on a single day, so that's all for me. I have to sit on my screen only. If I just made for a single day, I use 30 days of my time, so it's my fault. So this is a deadline criteria, and every project life cycle is 8 months, 11 months. That's all. But in government sector, you know, a full build takes 10 years, I think. So
Kavya.
this is the red tape.
Kavya has a question.
What is I have a question.
Yes.
What is your most important part?
What is most important part? I already covered in be updated. There is a code for technology wise upgrade yourself. So you have to be upgraded every time. I'm talking about the AI and robot process automations. So since we are using most of the things by automating the things.
Anyone?
I have a question.
Yeah. Mr. Purushottam has a
Suppose
question.
of government services. See, there is a very famous issue of the reservation. As the private sector runs with a merit system, totally merit system, there is no reservation. Don't you think that our country is being ruined by the reservation system? Because in every service there is a ho-halla of reservation that I have to get it.
Hue and cry. Oh Allah. Hue and cry.
Right. So don't you think that your government services are ruining our country? Yeah.
you were saying talking about reservation. Reservation is based on criteria and economical basis. And India is a very different and mixed country and secular country because there are a lot of people living here. Because if you are because there are many crises in India in the matter of castes and upper class, lower class, touching and abolishment and many more. And reservation is not for a title because it's giving only for a low grade to high grade, only for lifting people.
Simple questions I have, Mr. Neeraj Kumar. Why there is no reservation in UPSC?
Yeah, also
No. My question is not about this UPSC, but think about it that you got 90% marks, and backward caste they got 30% marks, and he let me speak. And if he has a job, means he has been selected, and you got 90%, but you are fired. What's your comment on this?
In India, there are many people who is not able to perform that duty and not eating 2 times or 3 times food on time.
1 minute, sir.
And if you are
Okay. Now let him speak.
I'd like to counterparty. See, you are saying that today till now in India there are people who are not having their meal 2 time or 3 time meal. See, when the constitution was made, this was pointed out that reservation has to be brought for the upliftment of the people, and it was some time granted for the next 10 years, 20 years. But till now, our country is facing the reservation issue. Then you are saying that there is for the provision that there are still some people who are not having their will. Don't you think that this will always resist our development process? Why? Because see, you are getting your reservation, and you are still saying that there are people existing like that. So, if we have our direct development, then I think there will be no issue. So, don't you think your government services are ready in our country?
No, actually, he just wants. No, actually, hello. He wants to tell you that you are getting reservation. If you have got a job, leave it. Leave the reservation because all the problem, whatever you have, it sort out. If in your family, if someone has got a job as a government job, then please leave the reservation. But why your upcoming children also will get reservation?
Yeah, on the name of caste.
Clear.
You are talking about.
No, actually,
Can you prove reasonable classification? What is reasonable classification?
See, I am not having a detailed study over that till.
That's why you are. I am saying you. But you. Yeah, I will give you answer. But.
Prashant, Prashant will tell you. Yeah, Prashant, please.
Bhimrao Ambedkar made a constitution for a reservation for 10 years. Time of it was for 10 years. Because backward castes are very weak this section. They don't have money to eat, or they don't have money to buy, or they don't have money to knowledge, get the knowledge from many people. He made for 10 years only. Our politicians, what they have done, they have done for vote banking. They have made a issue of vote banking. And I think the backward class is illiterate always, because they never think of that upgrade their mind. They always think reservation is our rights.
Our rights.
But it is not a rights. In upper caste also there are many people are poor,
Struggling.
poor and beggar. They don't have also money to eat, and they don't have money to buy a milk. What?
That's why the government,
Then you are saying
Mr.
that
Prashant,
reservation is
that's why government is also giving 10% reservation for what caste?
Doesn't matter, sir, for our 10%.
Yes, sir.
We
What is
we don't have a
10%? What
10%.
is
10%.
10% in such
This
population?
type of 10%.
What are you talking about?
They have done a criteria, sir. They have done a criteria. This criteria, sir. Even upper caste have their that must limit, sir.
You are.
Yeah, no, he wants to be something. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
I am against the reservation, but instead of you are asking that only government job getting the reservation. Meanwhile, all the schools that are JNU, Sainik School, RK Mission, or IIT or NIT also get a reservation.
IIT and NIT
One second. उसके बाद and then he get a child that get into private sector, that come from the reservation and get into private sector. That all people get their reservations, not only government or private sector also, because they study before get quality of education by reservation in best institute.
IIT and NIT don't have a reservation set.
Reservation.
For the clearance of entrance exams only. If they clear entrance exam during, they got that reservation. In the selection process, they don't got any kind of reservation.
Those are the government
It
decisions.
comes from the best education qualification, no?
No.
Best institution.
No.
Those are the government institutions.
If
I have to
government
take
takes
administration, then he get into the in tech companies that Microsoft, Apple, they did not get reservation, but instead of by their get qualification, he choose the IITs and NITs, not private sector colleges.
If today reservation support, today reservation removed by government or authority, then according to me, there are approximately 70% backward classes and 80% backward classes in India. Approximately 55 or 60% families illiterate after the remove of reservation, because all family have a hope that I have in future I have a government job or I have a good job. It's only a hope. If we were remove reservation, then 60 or 70% people illiterate, because they have no idea and they have think that there is no need to read. It's a path change the line of their life, because they have no hope, and it's in the labor, agriculture, and it's a doing.